so we're now in Haman. So I don't know if you know the story of the red catcher of Haman. So that's where we are now. Not that we're gonna stay here, but it's just
7,8 kilometer doorrijden op E83.
Like she said, we're just gonna drive through it, but you know, this is where the story comes from. Interesting. We're in our new holiday home and it is amazing. Oh, I'm just gonna take you with me. So this is where you enter and then there's lots of stairs. Okay, we can handle that. Okay, so a lot of stairs, but guys, it's worth it because look at this. I don't know where to start, really. Look at this. So, my gosh, I'm just gonna walk around the house twice, I think. First, there's this little cutie. Okay, and this is my daughter's room for the week. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at it. Oh my gosh. It's a bit dark, but it's even got a chandelier. Let me just turn on the lights. Look at this. Awesome. So she's really gonna like it. Look at the doorstop. So then you walk out again and you see all of this. And then, oh dear, a closed door. Again, this is where they keep the bodies. Okay, another cute doorstop. And then you go inside. And this is the living room. Look how awesome. So lots and lots and lots of pillows and this just looks so gorgeous. But it's not. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna film a lot because everywhere you look you see something new. A bit of backlight. Okay, here we go. Look at this, guys. Isn't this cozy? And I feel right at home because this looks like Del's blue. We're in Holland, we even have tulips. No, we're not. I see a windmill. But no, we're in Germany. Look how awesome. And then you have a television, which really doesn't go with the rest, but oh well. But guys, this is a half-timbered house. As you can see, here are the beams and everything squeaks and makes noises when you walk around. And when you look outside, there's a half-timbered house as well. And I think they have schnitzel. You know we like that. So Noortje is probably gonna sit here and write. Maybe on the old typewriter. I don't know. Nice, right? So let's go into the kitchen. Jan is running away. Look at it. This is the kitchen. This is the doorway to the kitchen. Look at these old beams. It's amazing. Look how gorgeous. You can walk around, so Jan and the kids are walking the other way, so they won't be in the shot. Okay. Anyway. Look how awesome. There's something everywhere. Everywhere you look there is something nice. But still it isn't too much. Maybe, can you turn on the lights, Noortje? Ah, lights. So here you have the kitchen. And beautiful chairs with beautiful pillows. And this.
Even the toilet paper is cute.
Even the toilet paper? No, I haven't seen it. Okay, I'll see. I'll look at the toilet paper in a second. So this is the kitchen. And in here is our bedroom. So it's near the kitchen. look at it again. So cozy. So nice. Everywhere there's something cute. I mean, look at this. It's all magazine worthy or Instagram worthy or whatever. Oop, look at it. It's so awesome. It's so nice. I mean, look at this. Isn't it cute? This is my nightstand, guys. It's an old chair. It just looks awesome. Okay. Then we go back to the kitchen. And by the way, it smells delicious over here. I mean, she bakes pies, I think, or kuchen, or and oh my god, it smells so nice. Oh, hello, that's me. And look over here again. There's something everywhere. This is a collector's house. I'm a collector. Look how awesome. Okay, so here's the bathroom, which is very, very modern, but also very, very cute. I mean, just look at this. As you can tell, I'm really, I love this. It says zu Hause. It means at home. Does it say that? I think. Oh, she's right. Noortje's right. Cute toilet paper. Kittens and doggies. We can't use this. We can't go to the bathroom, guys. Sorry. It's not allowed this week. Okay. Look at, I just love it. I love it all. Look at this. So, yeah. So that was a tour of the house. Now there's also an upstairs where I haven't been because Tim has his own floor. Oh my gosh. It smells so good over here. It's dark. Oh my goodness. Wow, there's a whole floor over here with an old sewing machine. So this is Tim's room. Awesome. Insane, right? Although Tim is gonna he has to look at those two when he's sleeping. Wouldn't be something for me. I take the ladder and climb out the window. Okay, let's go back down again. It is a steep chair. So listen to the sound of that. I love it. I want to know how old this house is. Okay, well that was, I think, the tour. But I'll probably show you more. Let's end this with this beautiful painting. Okay. Wow. So upstairs it smells so delicious, and now we know why. This was in the oven, and it is
Dutch cheesecake.
Dutch cheesecake. We're in Germany and it's a Dutch cheesecake, but it smells so delicious. Now we have to go. No, we don't want to go. Good morning, guys. It's gonna be a hot day today, so it's bright and early, and we're going to a little waterfall. A very small waterfall, but still a waterfall. So the guys have been there yesterday and they say it's a beautiful drive, so I'm gonna film the drive over there. It's very quiet and peaceful over here. As you just saw, there were, it was a short clip, but there were a lot of trees. They were loading them on the truck. All these trees are dead. There's this little beetle that really likes these trees a bit too much. So many dead trees. It's so sad. This is pretty. But they're busy with, we want to walk in the forest, but they're taking away all the trees. And in this, on this sign, it says Waldweg, which means forest road, but Weg means weg in Dutch, and that means gone. So actually it says the forest is gone. No kidding. That's sad. It's kind of funny, but when you look at that, it's not funny anymore.
No.
You can also see the
I have no idea.
kabelbaan. I don't know the word.
I guess cable.
Anyway, cable cars. Yeah, let's hope they leave the poles. Well, they're made of iron. They won't saw it over.
No, it's so.
Saw it down. Saw it down. Look, guys, art. How many are there, Tim?
12.
12. It's not like it's bloody hot over here. We'll just wait. I'll just zoom in on that. Pretty.
About 115.
So it's about 115 years old,
Yeah.
and then a little beetle came along,
And now it's dead.
was hungry.
Almost no one has touched this.
That's true. You did.
Yeah.
One of the first people to have done that.
Yeah. Ew.
Look, the weirdos in their natural habitats. And there's Mr. Weirdo. Trying to find water or something. Where is that river? I'm sure it was here somewhere. I'm gonna pretend I'm making pictures. Smile! Now make silly faces. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna turn off the camera and make pictures. The soothing sounds of nature.
Whee! Whee! This will be our last video.
At least we'll enjoy ourselves.
Gonna take and ever.
It'll only take a wee bit longer.
Wee. And we're back again. Hello, Ferienwohnung. Going the wrong way.
Or not.
Yeah.
At least I don't think so.
But anyway guys, we're back home again. And that tower over there makes a lot of noise.